Peterson here, Peterson Electric. I want to talk to you real quickly about today. It is August the 4th, 2020. COVID. Wow, talk about long. Just kicked back in for Colorado. Found out my kids today are not doing soccer for the fall. Kind of a bummer, man. I really think this is going to hit us here in Colorado. Northern Colorado is where I'm at. Anyways, we're trying to wear a mask everywhere we do work, which is really making the job fun here in August. But today for my SEO guide, it's going to be about garage and lighting power. A lot of guys have hobby stuff. That might be a good key point. So lighting right here, he got these at a box store. Pretty generic LED by Eaton. Hang on a jack chain. These are 3.50 box, so without the 4.0 I can't put an outlet and plug. I have to hardwire them. We also got them power all the way down, piped about 80 foot. All the way here. Duplex. This is going to be his back work shelf. Got a 4-plex right back there, you can't quite see. Another 4-plex here. And another last duplex. And then pipe this up to my GFI. Probably wonder why the GFI is high versus low. Just because the last homeowner, you can see Smurf tube like that all over the place. Track lighting there. Had 4 track light systems. Had to pull all that down and all that tubing. It was ugly. I left that one up for now for the space heater. Homeowner, electrician. I like to use 1/2-inch EMT pipe when I'm down low. MC cable sometimes when I'm up high, because MC cable's not rated for damage, and that down low could. Probably wondering if you could spray water and hit it. I told him just be careful. That's what the GFI is for. Protects the whole circuit. You could pull through 2 circuits. I did pull through 2 extra wires to that outlet over there, that 4-plex, in case he changes his mind. I can always fish down another Romex, and he's got plenty of breaker space. Yeah, this is about a 7-hour job. By the time we showed up, unrolled everything, cleaned it up and put it back on and drive, it's a full 8-hour day just about. Other than that, yeah, looks good. So let us know if you need anything like that, typical work like that. I just would give us a call and we'll give you an estimate on it. We can try to price it per foot. We do sometimes bid it as we see it. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in this garage. Appreciate him helping putting it in a pile, but we had to move this pile. So the more stuff you have, the harder it can be and the longer it takes. So it's all T&M. Thanks, guys.